welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dimma. This video idea actually came to me in ShopRite. Like I was inside ShopRite, I went to buy groceries, and in the instant noodles aisle, like there's an aisle dedicated to noodles. Not an entire aisle, okay? Not the entire aisle, but there's a section dedicated to instant noodles. And I went there and I was trying to get Indomie. Guys, like I don't eat instant noodles that much. Like I crave them once in a while, and then I eat them, and then I don't eat them again for maybe like a month or two or something. So I know that some of you like don't like instant noodles. I know that some of you consider them to be very bad. Like I know, and I have read up on those reasons, but I like to eat Indomie once in a while. Like it's something we grew up eating, and sometimes you just crave it. So I went to that section. I was trying to get like Indomie chicken flavor, because that's Indomie chicken flavor or Indomie onion chicken flavor. They are the two flavors that I normally get. Let me see if I can find them. These are the two that I normally get if I want to eat Indomie. So this is Indomie onion chicken flavor. I know that a lot of people actually like this particular one. And then this is Indomie chicken flavor. So this is what we all consider mostly to be regular Indomie. So I was trying to get these two flavors. And then I got to the aisle and I saw that there were these other brands. Fam. I was like, okay, I'm going to try. I was like, I'm going to try them in this video. I'm going to do a taste test to let you guys know what I think. So I got about 8 flavors that I have never tried before. I'm not going to be trying Indomie that I consider to be regular or Indomie that I have tried before. So I'm not going to be trying the chicken flavor or the onion chicken flavor or the Indomie pepper soup. I don't know if it's chicken pepper soup or just pepper soup, but I know that I have also tried that before. So I kind of know how it tastes, you know, and I can't do like a first impressions here because like I've tasted it before. But the other ones, I have 2 other flavors from Indomie that I have not tried before, and a bunch of other flavors from some different brands. Okay, so the first one that I have here is by a brand called Honeywell. Honeywell, they kind of do grains and stuff, I think. So this is Honeywell instant noodles chicken flavor. And then I saw this brand that I had never heard of before. Like Honeywell, like I kind of know their products. This brand I have never seen before. It looks like this. Their logo is this black dude holding a plate. Okay, the next one is from a brand called Golden Penny. Okay, I know Golden Penny. I know that they do like grains and I think spaghetti as well. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm familiar with this brand. Like I've had things from them before, but I didn't know that they did instant noodles. And this is their jollof chicken flavor. This is the only jollof flavored noodles that I have here, and I think that this is really exciting. I've never had jollof flavored noodles before. So outside of the jollof chicken flavor, Golden Penny also has like regular chicken flavored noodles. Okay, it looks like this. This brand is called Mimi, and I got their sloppy chicken. It's called sloppy chicken. So this, I'm assuming, is just, you know, chicken flavored instant noodles. And then there's this brand called Supreme. I've never heard of them before. It says made with real chicken essence. We shall see. The brand is called Sedap. Never heard of them before actually, and it looks like this. And then the last 2 that I have are from Indomie, the brand. This is their Oriental fried noodles, and it says contains dried vegetable. It looks like this. So the last one here is by Indomie, of course, and this particular range, okay, they came out with this range a few years back, and guys, they got so much hate. Like I remember that every single person I saw talking about this range on Instagram had very negative things to say. Okay, very negative things, and I think that it kind of made me like very I never tried any of the flavors that they have from this range. I know that they launched about 2 or 3, and I can't remember. This one is a seafood delight, and it says with real fish chunks. We'll see how this goes. So it says seafood delight on it, and it says with real fish chunks. I'm going to go into the kitchen now to make these. I want to make maybe 3 at a time so that this video doesn't take too long. I also don't plan to finish each plate of everything that I make. I just want to do a taste test for you guys, to tell you guys, really people who are curious what is going on. Okay, so guys, I'm going to start with the Golden Penny, like just chicken flavored Golden Penny noodles. not bad. The only thing that I'd say is that the seasoning that it comes with, maybe it's a bit too Maggi-ish. For my liking, I find the seasoning to be a bit strong. So that's the golden penny one. It's not bad, you know. But then if you ask me to choose between this and Indomie chicken flavor, and this is not even because I've been eating the Indomie chicken flavor for a very long time, I think I'll go with the Indomie chicken flavor. I just consider the seasoning I just tasted in this to be very strong. You know, it doesn't feel like I don't know, like it cooked properly, cooked thoroughly, but then it reminds me of Maggi. So this is the Honeywell one. One thing about this is that it's chicken flavored, but it actually has a very distinct color. The first golden penny, the chicken flavored golden penny, it looks like the regular Indomie chicken flavor. Like there's no like, it's the color is just flat, okay? This one is chicken flavored from Honeywell, but then it's a bit orange. So I would say that the seasoning is a bit too mild for my liking. Like the flavor doesn't stand out to me, if that makes any sense. This is the one from Honeywell. Like with this, it was a bit too strong and didn't feel like it cooked properly with the noodles, irrespective of the fact that I followed the directions on the packaging. With this particular one, it just feels like it's just mild. This is the jollof one. You guys can see that it is very red, like jollof. Guys, this tastes good. Like, I think that the jollof spice is like well balanced. It's not tasting a little bit raw like the first chicken flavored, like the regular chicken flavored one that golden penny also has. And guys, with the two, if any of them was even supposed to taste raw, it was this one, because the instructions with this one specifically states that you actually add the spices when the noodles are almost done. So if there was any one that should taste raw, it should be this one, but this tastes really good. Guys, I like this a lot. I'm actually trying to not eat too much because I still have to eat the rest, but I love this. I think I ate a little bit too much with this one because of just how good it is. So I'm going to make 3 more. Okay, so I'm going to start with the supreme one. I kind of knew it. When I was cooking this, I just did not like the way it smelled. Ew! This is the one from High Five. I don't think I really had a problem with the smell of this one. You guys know, like, I feel like with noodles, it's very important that it smells nice. Like the way it smells kind of gives me a hint to how it will taste, you know? Just like, you know, when you're cooking Indomie and Indomie smelling in the house, like you know that Indomie is cooking and it smells nice. Ew. This is from the brand High Five. Let me. There's something very like soapy, packagey about it that I find very irritating. This is by Indomie. This is the Oriental fried noodles. So okay, this is not bad. It has like I don't know how to say it's curry, but it does taste very like Indian to me. This is decent, you know. But to be very honest, it's my least favorite of all the Indomie flavors that I have tried. By far, I love the onion chicken, I love the regular chicken, and I love the chicken pepper soup. And the chicken pepper soup is not my favorite of the 3, like it's like number 3. But then if I didn't see the onion chicken or chicken flavor, I would gladly eat chicken pepper soup. But this one, like, it doesn't make me want to gag. Like the supreme one, legit, I wanted to gag. With this one, tasted a bit cardboardy to me. And then the Oriental fried one, I don't like. It's just not something that, if you put it in front of me and I'm very hungry, if you put it before me and I'm very hungry, I'll probably eat it. But if I had options, I'd never go for this one. So I have 2 flavors left, the seafood one and then the brand Mimi. So let me go make those 2. Okay, so this is the last batch and I'm a bit scared, especially about this seafood delight thing. It did not smell good at any point while I was cooking, so I am really worried. I'm going to start with the chicken flavor, the Mimi chicken flavor, see what it tastes like. This is actually not bad. Okay, of all the noodles that I have eaten so far, I think that my favorite was the golden penny jollof, followed by, in terms of just taste that I can stand and like just how well balanced it is, I'd say that this is really good. You know, the seasoning stands out in a way that some people might consider strong, but overall it's probably number 2 out of everything I've tried so far, you know, and I've tried a lot. So oh god, this seafood, oh, Jesus Christ, it does not smell good, guys. Ew. This is honestly ridiculous. I kind of see what they were trying to do with this. They were going for maybe a flavor that is maybe even local in the Nigerian way, you know, because the fish that they put in the packaging is like dry fish, the type that we'll use in soup. It felt like it tasted like it. The way everything has just kind of combined, I see what they were going for here, but then they didn't quite hit it in terms of just like the balance. Because if you're going to use local ingredients like this, I think that maybe you should balance it out with more local ingredients, or maybe even like oil, maybe palm oil or local oil. I don't know, this just tastes like it was going to be local, like, you know, local flavor, maybe like village rice, like, you know, that type of local. It tastes like it was just going to be that, and then about halfway through they changed their minds, because this just doesn't make sense to me taste wise. And for some reason, I know that people kind of do like, you know, there's village spaghetti, and like, you know, we make spaghetti and a couple of like things the way we would make like village rice. This just, something is just off about it. I'm happy though that it didn't taste like very fishy, you know, like seafood fishy, disgusting fishy. That was what I was worried about, but it didn't. It just tastes like something that was supposed to be local, and then it just didn't hit the mark. Have you guys tried any of these noodles? Guys, noodles are actually big here in Nigeria. We eat them a lot. They low-key call us an Indomie generation, because my generation grew up eating Indomie. You know, we ate it a lot. We eat it before school, we eat it for breakfast, sometimes we'll have it for dinner. So it's something that we eat a lot. Kind of cut down in the past 4 or 5 years. I haven't been eating instant noodles as much, and it's just like a personal reason, like just health reason. I just don't eat them as much as I used to before. The only instant noodles that I'd say that I really like out of everything that I tried, like really like, I'd say with my chest that I like without a but, is the golden penny jollof chicken noodles. Was it chicken jollof or jollof chicken? I can't remember how the name, you know, was, but that's the only one that I like. I think that they did something with that particular flavor. Have you guys tried any of these noodles that I tried? Let me know in the comment section. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.